Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing new week. Currently it is Monday, the trading week has just started. Also it is the first of the month. Basically you can see right here Bitcoin closed yesterday's weekly candle way below the value area high level. The bulls failed to push the price back above to around 76k for us to actually be considering bullish, and you can see right here the monthly candle is also not looking great as it is right now. And basically what I expect for this month is at least a move down towards the value area low or the POC level. Basically what I am telling you guys, I am expecting a potential breakdown below $70,000, which we are not that far away from. Only like if we measure it from where price is sitting right now down to 69k, we are just like 3.5% away. And if we start breaking lower, the next levels of supports are going to be sitting right here, that POC level at around 67.8k, and down at the value area low of the range at around $65,000. This is the outlook for Bitcoin. For right now, on the short term momentum, you can see right here, yesterday we failed to remain above VWAP, and right now we are trading below the VWAP. Right here you can see since the daily open Bitcoin is down 2%. You can see it clearly right here. This is our new monthly open, our weekly open, daily open, and Bitcoin is not looking great at all right here. And considering this low that we made got swept, we got a nice bounce for potential continuation higher, but you can see Bitcoin failed to do so. This is what I'm talking about. We could have flipped the trend right here, gone for the upside, create a potential lower high like so, but Bitcoin is very weak right now. And excuse me, this is either going to be the big drop to the downside, or it could be very well as well the fake out that we start to drop down and then we get some strong V-shaped recovery with a lot of buyers coming to the market, and then we start going for the value area high level once again. But of course until this happens, I don't believe that basically this is going to be the best case scenario right now, as the USD dominance is potentially looking ready for a break higher. And what the USD dominance is, if you don't know, it is the basically invert chart of Bitcoin. And as you can see, this high right here that we have left is, in my opinion, going to get taken out. If not today, then the coming next days of the week, we are potentially going to go higher to this level right here. You can see on the 4-hourly time frame, we are putting in nice higher highs right here as we speak. So potentially a continuation higher is not out of the question. Ethereum right now, same thing, bouncing just around those levels right here from where we started the rally higher back in the end of March right here, where we got that bullish divergence, and after this the market pumped like 26%. Right now from the high, Ethereum is down 20%. So all this move right here has been all the gains basically have been given back, and right now Ethereum is sitting at a very key level. You can see we have lost this POC level right here, and the next support or target is basically $1,900 for it. Same thing for Solana. We've lost the value area low, or basically we are just trading around it. Let me just basically you can see right here the loss of this order block is going to be down to 75, and all the way down if we start losing $67, then expect very well Solana to be going down for those bear market prices. Of course, this is going to be quite a big of a drop. we measure it, that's like 71%. I do think that this is unlikely, but you never know. Once Bitcoin starts dropping, the altcoins always take much bigger hit. Except Hype right now, Hype is looking the best. If we start seeing another push towards the upside right here on the weekly candle right here, we have close to very bullish weekly candles. And I do believe, since we are in price discovery, Hype could very well go up to around 80, 90 and hitting $100 for the first time. It is also possible from the bottom right here that we made at $10 or $9 back in the tariff crash to $100. This is almost going to be a 1000% gain, which is absolutely insane in my opinion. But of course, Hype is the coin of the biggest perpetual DEX, Hyperliquid of course, and this is the most big exchange in my opinion, and is going to get even bigger with all the regulations coming in for the centralized exchanges. So I believe Hype potentially has much higher to go. You can see on the monthly time frame, we are still potentially, we close this very big engulfing candle, and if we get another engulfing monthly candle like this, then $100 could be very well possible. Sui on the other hand, the other altcoins are not looking great at all. You can see it clearly right here. We could go down for around 45 to 50 cents in the next coming weeks or months. That's gonna be like 46% of a correction. Same thing for XRP. If we start losing this fair value gap order block right here, then we could be heading down for the bear market prices that we got right here. But we did have a nice run on XRP from this bottom, 580%, which was pretty insane to see. Stock market right now, you can see it did open bullish once again. The S&P 500 trading at around $7,600. You can see it clearly right here. The stock market is not stopping at all. Right now, it is getting overextended from this bottom right here. We are up almost 20%. So potentially this move will come to an end in the next coming weeks. You can see this rally right here. It is, in my opinion, not considered that sustainable. We are going to see in the potentially beginning of Q3 maybe another correction like the ones that we had right here. This is completely normal, and I believe we are going to see that correction in the next coming months. Same thing for the Nasdaq. You can see bouncing from this level right here. We are up right now 33%, which is absolutely insane. You can see that last time we had such a rally, the Nasdaq rallied around 145%, which is pretty insane. The Dow Jones is above 51k, so this is also pretty interesting to see. The dollar right now still consolidating very tightly right here. We are, in my opinion, potentially still bullish on the dollar. Since we have these levels, we have not yet taken out the highs right here, but of course this right here could be considered a distribution right here, and it could send price down maybe even lower once again to retest the lows that we made before. But other than that, for Bitcoin right now we don't have much support until the PUC level and the value area low. Basically this box level right here is going to be our next area of interest. You can also see we keep creating liquidity to the downside. It has not been taken out yet. You can see we have the liquidity sitting all the way down to the lows of 70k, but of course we could get a fake out pump to grab the liquidity, which is sitting higher to around 76. But as I said, with how things are looking right now, this is the more likely scenario in my opinion is just a sharp drop. But of course the market makers potentially will not make it that easy in my opinion, so we could get another retest of this level before we actually start pushing lower. Fear and Greed Index right now sitting at 33. Basically, nothing has changed for the past week, and yesterday we're still sitting at the fear zone. Spot ETFs, we don't have anything new, but as you can see right here, we got basically the whole past more than 10 days. We have seen quite a lot of outflows, which could of course be marking the bottom, but it could also mean that a big capitulation is on its way. Long versus shorts ratio right now, you can see it right here. We have quite a lot of short positions in the market, but you can see the bigger whales on Hyperliquid are right now sitting in long, so they do expect price to potentially bounce from right here, and this could very well be possible, as I said, to get another retest of the EMAs that we have right here. And I do believe this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.